a little closer. I can't see you. Come a little closer.
Miranda, why are you stealing my thunder?
What thunder?
I told her I was going to put it on my YouTube and get 10 times as many
Oh
hits.
yeah,
And she was
for
like,
sure.
Do the button.
I can't see you. Come closer.
Whoa! Look at that elk. Looks like a sick pelican or something. Oh God.
Milton the insane Christmas owl.
Wait a minute, make your head spin all the way around.
Don't put me in this.
Oh gosh.
I can't really
Raise your
see him.
head,
He's
raise
too
your
far
head.
away. He doesn't listen. I told him to come closer.
Come closer, Milton.
Now,
Oh, now
this,
Grandma's in too.
Okay. Now do the whole thing. No, come closer.
I'm marking my territory.
Come closer.
Milton.
I still can't see you.
Oh, watch this. Wait, you're gonna be on YouTube. Back away. Okay. All right. Turn.